Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. Rust is a systems programming language focused on safety, speed, and concurrency. This tutorial will cover the basics of Rust, including installation, syntax, common data types, control flow, functions, error handling, and ownership, which are key concepts in Rust. Table of contents. 1. Installation. 2. Hello, world. Hello world. 3. Basic syntax and data types. Basic syntax and data types. 4. Control flow. 5. Functions. 6. Error handling. 7. Ownership and borrowing. 8. Conclusion. 1. Installation. To get started with Rust, you'll need to install it. The recommended way to install Rust is by using rustup, a toolchain installer. 1. Open your terminal. 2. Run the following command. Bash curl proto equals https tlsv1.2 ssf https://sh.rustup.rssh. 3. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. 4. Once installed, add Rust to your path. Bash source $home/.cargo/env. 5. Verify the installation by checking the Rust version. Bash Rust version. 2. Hello, world. Let's create our first Rust program. 1. Create a new directory for your project and navigate into it. Bash mkdir hello_rust. cd hello_rust. 2. Create a new Rust file named main.rs. Bash touch main.rs. 3. Open the file in your favorite text editor and add the following code. Rust fn main println hello world. 4. To compile and run the program, use the following command. Bash rust main.rs /main. You should see hello world printed in the terminal. 3. Basic syntax and data types. Variables and data types. Rust is a statically typed language, which means you must declare the type of a variable at compile time. Rust fn main let number I32 equals 10 / integer. Let pi f64 equals 3.14 / floating point. Let is_rust_fun bool equals true / boolean. Let name and str equals rust / string slice. Println number pi is rust fun. Name number pi is _rust_fun name. 4. Control flow. Rust has standard control flow constructs such as if, else, and loop. Rust fn main let number equals 5. If number 10. Println number is less than 10. Else println number is 10 or greater. / loop. Let mut count equals 0. Loop. If count equals 5. Break. Println count is count. Count plus equals 1. 5. Functions. Functions in Rust are declared using the fn keyword. Here's an example of a function that adds two numbers. Rust fn add a I32 b I32 -I32 a plus b. Fn main let result equals add 5 3. Println the result of adding is result. 6. Error handling. Rust uses result and option for error handling. Here's an example of using result. Rust. Use stdfs file. Use stdio::self, read. fn read underscore file, file name, and str-result string, io error. Let mud file equals file open, file name. Let mud contents equals string new. File.read underscore to underscore string, and mud contents. OK, contents. fn main. Match read underscore file, example.txt. OK, contents, equals println, file contents, contents. Error, equals println, error reading file, 7 Ownership and borrowing. One of the most important features of Rust is its ownership system, which ensures memory safety without a garbage collector. Here's a basic example of ownership and borrowing. Rust. fn main. Let s1 equals string from, hello. Let s2 equals and s1, / borrowing s1. Println, s1, s2, s1, s2, / both can be used. 8 Conclusion. This tutorial has covered the basics of Rust, including installation, syntax, data types, control flow, functions, error handling, and ownership. Rust has a steep learning curve, but its focus on safety and performance makes it a powerful tool for systems programming. For further learning, consider checking out the Rust programming language, https://doc.rust-lang.org/book, often referred to as the book, which provides a comprehensive guide to Rust. Happy coding!